agree on this one. That's the way that the world goes now.
Ah, jeez. Safe video. Okay, should we stop?
In my stomach last night, Dawn. It's nerve-wracking. You know, one of the weirdest things, and I don't know, Robert, whether you noticed this, but before the debate even started, all of them were standing at their podiums for nearly a half an hour. And
it's just more power, more suction power. And also you have a mop, but the mop is only for hardwood floors. You have the time, you have the date. Now you do have your switch button there. You have your screenshot button. And then you got your lock footage. So you can lock the files so it doesn't override it. This is a wire running to the cigarette lighter. I'm going to show you right there. So I ran the wire all the way down. I got to do a better job with that. I hit the wire under my mat. And here it is. So it plugs right into the cigarette. Here, as you guys can see, that's led back into the other camera, so that's for the rear. This is the camera here. It is not going anywhere. There's an adhesive on the top, so I just peel and stick, and ever since then, they just haven't been moving around. They recommend the camera to be outside other than inside, but you can do it inside. Jesus. The reason why I like having it inside is just because now you gotta run the wires outside, and I don't know, I think it's just much more easier to run the wires.
Use the rubber stamp to stamp a number on every sack.
Right.
So my job was to go thump, you know, many times during the day. So M2998571 is stuck in my brain.
Of course it is. That was the number you had to put.
What are you doing, dickhead?
That's the number that went on every sack, yeah.
Sack! Stop saying sack! Sack!
Thump. On Triple M. These
Your hands are very cold.
Yeah, no. That's how your hands felt on Tuesday.
Oh, really?
Car.
Oh my gosh.
It's a wreck. I don't know if I've had it.
Yeah, no.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, hit that car. The car can't see past these vehicles.
On the left, they're in for a bad day today. This is what I saw while I was out on the road today. You never know what's around the next bend. Let me zoom in so you can see. That white car and the police car on the right are about to collide and have an accident. If you ever see something like this is what you do.
Call 911.
Calling emergency services.
Yeah, he got that boy. This cop pulled that freaking faggot over.
They passed everybody?
Yep.